Warning, this video contains needles and blood. Viewer discretion is advised.
It's a nice one. In the morning, we're going to sample this. I'm going to weigh it. I'm going to measure it. I don't know if we're going to be able to. We might actually need an RA.
Oh, we got RA Lee here to help.
Okay, so I'm just going to measure the head length from the back of the skull here. Alright. Okay, so very difficult to measure a snake accurately, but we have to try to keep the tape measure along the spine. So I'm going to do a bit of probing to see if it's a male or a female. So I've got a little snake probe here and lubricated up. So we're feeling for the presence of hemipenes. You can see that's going well up inside there. So that's a hemipene. So this is a male. Try and get hold of some of these ticks. They'll bite me at you. Oof. There we go.
Yep.
I feel like doing these guys a service by just, helping to remove some parasites. It's interesting. Quite often they try and bite you, and then they realise you're pulling the ticks off, and then they're all right. What we want these for is, we're interested in, the parasites that are found around here, and different species interactions of different parasites. Are these the same as the ones that you find on animals that are living in the forest and ones that are living in human dominated landscapes like oil palm plantations? So it's quite important to understand disease transmission as well. Right, what we're going to do is every python that I catch, I want to be able to identify exactly which animal it is. So we're going to microchip it just like we do with a pet at home. So that just goes under the skin here. Like that. This sends out a little big magnet, and then that will activate this, and it sends back a code like that. And so then I can work out which individual it is.
So Rich, how old do you think the snake is?
Oh, I have no idea.
Oh, guess?
No.
Okay.
Essentially, the growth rate of these animals is dictated by how much they eat. They can be very, very fast growing if they have access to enough resources.
There you go. Ooh. How heavy do you think the snake is?
5.5? 6.2.
5.72.
I reckon 6.1. It's 6.5.
Oh, Maca was right.
Now we've got it bagged up nicely, ready for transport. I'm going to take it back to where I caught it last time.
Yeah, this one.
I put him on that bit of grass.
Ah, there you go. Well, Rich, that was a wrap. That was cool. So why do we have to study snakes? Why is it important?
They're an integral part of the ecosystem. Many snakes are really important for pest control, and they're also food for a lot of other species. They're a really good indicator of ecosystem health.
Yeah, that's a wrap for us over here at DGFC. If you want to know more about the wildlife here and want to know more about this guy with his snakes, do tune in and stay with us at DGFC. Okay, see you guys soon in the next episode. Bye!
Thanks, bye.